Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best dual dash cam.
Starting at number 5.
Garmin dash cam. This small but mighty front dash cam has it all. Great 1440p video with a 140-degree field of view, integrated GPS and driving assistance, good phone connectivity, an easy and convenient magnetic mounting system, and the backing of Garmin's good name. Pocket-sized dash camera goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield, automatically records and saves video of incidents with GPS location, date and time. Wide 140-degree lens records 1440p HD video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night.
Coming at number 4.
Miofive car dash. Prior to our review of the Miofive 4K, we would have tapped the Car and Driver i2 Pro as the best front-only dash cam with 4K, a fine product in its own right. But the Miofive costs $100 less, and offers integrated GPS as well as great video captures, 64 GB of internal storage, a compact design, friendly voice notifications, and a super straightforward setup. So not only is this our favorite front dash cam with 4K, it's our favorite front cam overall. Drive smarter when you bring along the Miofive dash camera for cars. Ultra-high-definition imagery, G-sensor and motion detection make this car dash cam the ultimate witness to accidents and vandalism. 4K dash cam for truckers and sedans captures 4x more detail than other car video camera kits. With night vision for low-light environs, our car camera records scenic drives and accidents in 2160p UHD.
At number 3.
VIOFO A129 Pro. Another of the 4K front/1080p rear camera setups, the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo was the first to win us over to the benefits of 4K. It's been matched in those abilities by newer models, but the A129 comes at a competitive price that can't be ignored. Plus it offers integrated GPS and a pleasant user experience. Ultra HD Real 4K Dual Channel Dash Cam A129 Pro Duo adopt top quality Sony 8MP IMX317 sensor on front camera and rear camera with Sony IMX291 sensor. This dual dash cam captures super clear view at Ultra HD 4K 30 frames per second or 2K 60 frames per second for front camera. 4K dash cam offer amazing video quality, for time higher than a regular FHD. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate etc. Give you peace of mind when you're driving.
Number 2 of my list.
Nextbase 622 gigawatts. Prior to our review of the Cobra SC400D above, the 622 gigawatts front/rear system was our hands-down favorite. And, really, it shares virtually all the same attributes as its rival: nice design and build quality, excellent day and night captures, drive mapping, a wonderful 3-inch display, emergency response to accidents, Alexa support, and the ability to add a third camera for interior views. Like the 400D, it carries a premium price tag. But in the end, you can't go wrong with either model. 4K recording. The 622 gigawatts records in top-of-the-range 4K quality. When trying to make out finer details or capturing that all-important number plate, 4K recording quality is as good as it gets in a dash cam. While your dash cam records at 4K, your rear camera module can record at an impressive 1080p, covering your car from multiple angles and giving you greater peace of mind.
And number 1.
Cobra Smart Dash. Our review of the Cobra SC400D left us smitten. It's pricey, yes, but it delivers the goods with stunning images, 4K for the front, 1080p in the rear, day or night. In addition to that, it has all the trappings of a premium product: a sturdy magnetic mount with integrated GPS, a crisp 3-inch touchscreen display, and Alexa support for finding businesses and the like when you are on the road. It can also be expanded with an optional 120-degree FOV cam for the interior. UHD video, 4K, With Ultra HD 4K resolution, you'll get 4x the pixel resolution of 1080p, so you can see and capture every detail on your drive. Includes rear-view accessory camera to see the front and rear of your vehicle, day or night.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.